Vichyssoise, or in other words, leek and potato cream. Okay? We need 4 potatoes, 4 leeks, 1 onion, and the broth. After this video, check these videos here or here and learn how to do broth. So I have put olive oil here in the cup. Let's start the magic, man! Wow! Oh! Let's put some fire here. Peel the potatoes. Cut the potatoes. Okay, let's start with the potatoes. Cut the onion. More friends to the party, onion. Toma ahí. Without crying. Cut the leek. Okay, more ingredients to the party. Yeah, the leek. Ole, 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 que no falte. Mixing time. Mixing time. More or less 20 minutes, okay? Yeah, 20 minutes. More or less, yeah. 20 minutes, more or less, yeah. The 20 minutes has passed, now let's put the broth. Ole. We wait for 1 hour. So the time has passed, now we put a little bit of wine. Okay. And we leave this 20 minutes to evaporate the wine. The alcohol of the wine will be released and will give a touch really amazing to the cream. And also a little bit of oregano that I picked when I went for a run in the forest. Venga. So it is done, we're going to put it inside the mixer. Salt and pepper. So this is the result. I know the color is not the best thing, but the taste, let's see. Ah yeah. Poof!